In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer subscribers from Mailerlite to Kit. By the end, you'll have your list safely moved over with fields correctly matched so you can keep sending without missing a beat. Start by heading to your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're in, open the subscribers section. This is where your full list and any filters or segments you've set will display. Look for the Actions menu, then choose Export CSV. Mailerlite will prepare a CSV file containing the subscriber data that's currently in view. When the export is ready, click Download and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly named folder. It's a good idea to keep this CSV as a backup of your list and to make sure it's the most recent export before you move on. Now switch over to your Kit dashboard. From the main navigation, click Grow, then choose Subscribers. Here, select Import CSV to start bringing your list into Kit. Click, choose a file to upload and pick the CSV you just downloaded from Mailerlite. After the file loads, you'll see a screen to map your columns. This step is crucial. Match each column from your CSV to the correct field in Kit. Make sure the email column maps to email since that's the required field for every contact. If you have fields like first name, last name, or custom fields, map those to their corresponding fields in Kit so your personalization stays intact. If a column is something you don't need, you can leave it unmapped. Double check that consent or status columns, if present, are mapped appropriately so you respect subscriber preferences. When everything looks right, click Next. You'll see optional settings that let you refine how the import behaves. Depending on what's available, you might organize subscribers with a tag or specify how to treat existing contacts. Choose the options that best match how you manage your list and comply with your subscribers' permissions. When you're ready, click Start Import. Kit will begin processing the file, and larger lists may take a little time. You'll get a confirmation that the import has started. Click Got it to continue. You can keep working while Kit finishes in the background. Once the import completes, return to the subscribers area in Kit to spot check a few records and confirm your fields like email and name appear exactly as expected. That's it. You exported from Mailerlite, imported into Kit, carefully mapped your fields, reviewed optional settings, and started the import. You're ready to continue your campaigns with your subscribers right where you need them.